wan jngoh bat sakhi ki bor badai peit bat pyniaid ki development baper ha ka shnong Urksew Wahpathaw ka bahab ka shnong penusla menen ka si ka arpo pratarik November arajar besau. Hakan ni jingwan jongki ladan ka jingalang ka balingkot ka ha ka baladan ringkat Ushri Sampat Kumar IAS Principal Secretary Health and Family Welfare Department Government of Meghalaya, Project Director and DRDA of East Khas Hills District Shri PT Pasa, Rangba Shnong Secretary Shnong BDO ki kenhon jong kan RLM MGN REGA ki dekhot jong ka VHC ki VSC ki VO bat SHG ringkat ki job card holder. Nakalian jeng ki bor bedai pet yakini ki development ki layo ban pensyai syapang ke jing arab beper badru hakaliang jeng ka job card SHG VHC ke koit ka khia bat kumta terter ki bejiat rekam ringkat bat ka shnong bat ka blok rukumju.
Sebagai orang Shnong badan labat ni Ketri Shnong kini ki tim ni jong i sempat ke bawan nasional unjuk ro i tim na blok bakam tam ya ki Shnong untuk ke job card holder ki SHG member ki VHC member bat oro lang akan neka jingalang mentasuk just to brief sir, here we have 377 registered households. We have 390 workers. Aadhaar linked worker is 366, and the remaining they are also applying for Aadhaar. We've been going for sensitization and mobilizing them for Aadhaar enrollment. And as of this current year, sir, they are doing community work with spill work of 2324 for protection wall. PMAYG demand wages and one number, sir. Nga subli katukan ni ya itas pangka ni ka Shnong jong pri ya kajing don ni job ka dengan IT no sa I ba indon ka interaction ni ka jingya discount ba pi ka ba na Shnong sa I sa jongi disebut
project mani mau berpilai betul ka kini ka man penek pensa ya ku bakdan untuk ka melek sekarang pun ka lau kentang bamla ban ading ban penek pensa ku Kedai ke baik saya appreciate kedai projek ke bah mandit jeng hi nak MG kulang bah drupo person kiskam kedai batch pangka mariang baik man penek pensa ya ke mariang lalu ki umbam di kiding kise mau berkuai ki jingtrai ki baik mereka mau namta ka ni ke livelihood projects no bridging ri kini tengi kuat bah aman ki Shnong jongpi kin plan bahai project dapat perkat ini ke 60-40 ratio. Mohon drupa gede namta kamariang. Tak peopat kum gini kucing tray. Mohon kiri tag aset ini ka viewpoint bat kiwai. Dia apa plan kam yang ban perkat ia kelawai. Dia nam dai. Ku let's say menta pinang poho andai ki kunjungi pan kin kerdo. Yang tak ada ngah ban perkat. Kum no bangin plan yang kita try jongi banyarap iki kon jongi hadin habot mo kowe ni kita ada ku umdi te meningi I kowe ka jika sejan ro mo ngikmen bagai Shnong jong pi la prakat EP ba pi1 sejan but sumro hagajo jaka nai te sala ong meni la prakat la kali jingkeli mo ba pi sejan hang tu jebo ya chai nai ya chai jebo nang tu Cik ya. Ha?
Nala.
Cik kiwa nai. Tumun ngiro ngi contribute dan man pun jabo ai kiwa jangi. Ya nam dai. Kita dah meni ramai semua perkat bah aman ketika sejan hak dan kumja supet. Mo. Malis keniat bah pekoi yu sabon. Pemindang tu bak lek cewa. Nama ba lek jar ki cewa, silok khabar kin yap. Ya dai. Tu aman ketika sejan abang kredit gini aset ni hak dan kita responsibility kan. Mo ambe pun amba nengi lami ngimtip syai galai. Nanam dai. Ke jebo apa khat bah hamba mo begini kiwa jengiro kinna kinsa. Mo kini ki GM badan hagiwa jengiro kidak karo ngakai pinan kami hadiah nabot. Kinam yap. Mo aku jengim mencuak ki balai pa kini ki mo ki dok mo si kiwa. Le mata gitu na. Mo balai ngatip hi. Ni penyap hi mengi te. Tambah ngimpo berkat kan bagai kita iki. Ngimenta keladon ni program jengi keladon kicing pencai ma kumni salawan la peti KIP lakwa kum Shnong nak ban perkat ma di perkat tambah ka kini ki buat kitrai kan peta iki wepat ma cai kata cai do te pi ngi mu jengi sarkar lang ba ma ngi kwa ban ai ying ya barak ki beriu ki bamdan yeng hakane shnong takum latest order ngi ai don report lik long yeng yo yeng bedok dia nam dai tang don chu bedok tang don chu bedok ki bam yo yeng dan nam don sarkar kan ai biang masa the next survey for the new household so seperkat itilang bagas shnong ni menta barak ki ba ki long yeng ki badang miss ki ba kam yo yeng menta ngin ai biang kebenem mabang ikwa rispa am tang manga tang mapi ni barok ikwa banlong ban rispa lang barok ni de bandan yeng lang ma jes ka ma ya tra bang shnong ba ini ki bam dan adhar dari ikwa yeng hab don ma ya pi ang chutok chumbe ma mdai ngatai pa ye hi men kene ki bam dan adhar ado em dangin le do orang pingis ngosi ma pingis ngosi de pido kadang na pencai pik na pinam do impua ban ya siliang ma na ba kani ke jeng ruspa jong pejba kalong bai na do na try do shekle ne tang wai ar we are for all that's why they should all have adhar and they should not miss on the opportunity bam de ban do igni opportunity ba ak sarkar ne tang ge yeng ki pom bai program na ma jing mu jing ilang bangin pen ruspa ep di project ling ep shikini ki the activity jing gi pa shai mà xây ra irap lang ni kiwei te sung thoi ki kham bang in yo ban prung teng ki la si ho ni bra ban wan no ngin por tang chika to ni banai des ngom ha lum lang ki bara ni ko ba ha ne shnong kim don chu ki long yeng be ong ba ngim don yeng mo clear em to ke belai man ni he ki long yeng isa la ban lek pa pi ngim ngi pa tong ki non yeng isa ikeli no ka langut ki dan ha yeng ki halong yeng jong pi ikimi itrai yo ma dalam try isai kali ke ka jing song tna jing ban le ban su jan ma she jing shen malek ni kita le pidan we have a system in place ni don kita ki for example to SSG tu ki don link bal SSG ne pinyo jing ram ni SSG le tang jing ram ki training ki ba pi kwa ma le dei tai long kemi shang ha ying ma le tre teng teng le di akam shnang dom de su banyak kam ko jesot ma hablat yo man ka singi shenit teng teng pi akam ma la dam dan job kan dan kam tingi la ban lingi pi chikta ki activities ke ba pi song tala ban le no ma wangi kwa om tang ge yeng kwa roba kilong yeng ro ma kim dan nan talang ke program ban pen ki asot ya ke yo pat hang shnong jong pi bara ma tingi kli ki kon jong pi ro le school drop out Tili drop outs, balai ki drop outs. Nag-ay ki daw. Ti kikuan ki student ban le ki ka mening la kali hang ni yang wa ngitay mystery. Mystery ni ru ngila ban ai sai ong ai ka training ni pi bangin pai pi sibat. Hang ni pi atang transpa kisngi. Nei, in pai pi sa Japan de tang sibat mo si go ti na sa asam chai. Ni pai pi sa Japan. Siwe pat kiri tiba kam syai banyangi flight ke bai nong ro flight belum lagi ke flight ke bai nong ro si pau sya the standard of living ro ke biang ha
so already 30 nurses have gone to Japan now they're very happy
lai pau ngot ki nurse ngla pa sa Japan lambai kini survey 7 visit kali mo kimnan kam hang ne ibun ki nurse nan kam ne kutibit ki kindiat send them to Japan
and shilak per month
silak sibenai mo bila sanfewa jalaya asy yeng em kan dai sanfewa jasi benai ti ta kan ke plan jengi mo ndebeng sakut tang hang ning ha berkat mo
so work for 5 years bring 50 lakhs build nice home set up an enterprise here that's it happy
isay om de ban lek ban sa si jeng em mo trace post nem lum lang ipisa ka badan one chene sna yeng gabaha set up kinik enterprise sna dukan le restaurant mo di place stay la champang in one pure more ideas
you can also put a dukan there also
yes pesong api mo ki balik ko ban sa stay ro long hi mo ali tamba sini ro biang tikta dek ek opportunity ke bangingi ai mo ga government ga ai pi bara mo ni ko ban connect ip sebun ke ki ai ngatarang iwan ngataran naga health ro ngi pi iwan mo sige jong pi ban kali SAP dam balai wan chiwan ba ka jing mo ka jing jing pang jong pi ba ka jing mà cái chuyện chính ra trong phi hay ying cái đây độ chính cái trong cái sắp cả mà người qua ban phân tích na mà người đàn làm mặt phi về there with you mà hay cái chính ai trong phi người đàn mà người qua ban pin let's say phi ông người storm marway dan ba pet yang ngi dan maju ring ngi dan nang ta dang dang ni visit home visit ni lai ban tip ijing e jong phi ma ngi shong ha facebook singin tip ke ijing e jong phi wan tang ba shnong marway shingi wan tang ka tu anik ki SLG ni daras ki kam wan nang ta dang ni wan chipi bagin tip ijing e jong phi na mangin la kan ban changing system tre kamro ngi la kan ban a jing ra wi phi ni por chu por ma nang ta dang phi ngi ban shwa kenika makanika ka maternal and child death jinyap jeng kimi long kimi ki khôn ka menchua ka ngilong almost a kle do ba bon do bayak tiếng ta đau lương ba cái sự kiện isa mo bon ha ki strategist bangile de menta ila khamduna ni jinyap bariu yap long kimi bat ki khôn adang kha ngi kwa ban polong zero ikine bara mo zero mortal death mà bây giờ khai đi cái mi một đôi cái chính đục hay gì, dan lai sau cái khôn như làm lênมันยอ khôn sau san ngút, này,แต่san ngút cái khôn, khai sẽไปkhai độ khai cái mi, đấy,มันนวลไปcái khôn, cái chính đục, nặng tên cho chú em, tiếng ta đào như one, ông như phi, lòng cái mi armed, ban, lại chỉ cái health center, ban yo cái mà cái services cái babon, ban ban yo cái immunization, ban pair injection, chua ban yo khôn. Tambah ban pengklaim tangi kon pengklaim yang long kemiro. Ma kata dengan kamram jangi. Ma ta bon phi pat pisnga bai kini la ban rusya than kam jangi dai. Ma ndai kata. Ma ngilong proaktif. Ma kramal ngi syong bai ngi hun bai syong apa office. Nang phi keri bak jala jangi tim po syai. Dalam ngi ha one check man. Let your phi like meet your phi pen up jing sngo yiki ek ba phi pisnga na mangila ban ni trailang kan. But P bagai shnong. Nang ta kadang ni form ini ke VHC, pitip je kata VHC. Ke Village Health Council. Ha, mana dia member? Ha, secretary mana?
Secretary mana?
Ha, secretary.
Okay, active women.
Okay. Dah. Ketrekam kan ni VHC? Ketrekam?
Đang
sedang.
Datang ni sedang demi.
Ayo training.
Training pada.
Ayo training. Dah. Dengan sibet sikit ba doktor, masa bel take it up. Dengan sa eye training ya bara. Ma. Kemudian jemut teman komiti tham ka kam. Ma. Ma alis ngi haban tray. Baba mata pi long ba. Ma. Ni empower. Ya pi shnong. Neta mengi sehat tiba tiblut. Baik baru kita ba tiblut. Ma. Ngimde ngimbure dia je start jengi. Ni ashupi namba pinyo abor. Ma. Blank ha one doktor baik shnong yang mangapor. Adan ngidang ngini ki VC shnong. Ma committee mangapor ila ikni ka ma kini ka review ke shnong jong pi tangba piro at your level dang ta jumi play ka nam ta ka shnong.
In Peninsula. So basically where even if any mother requires immediate attention, doctors can actually treat the patient here. Last time when I came, one mother died. One mother who was giving twin baby, and one mother died because there was no FRU here. If the FRU was here, actually the mother would have been saved. So state government is actually, and we train the doctors. We send the doctors outside because we don't have doctors. We send the doctors to Tamil Nadu, and the doctors, after the they training, they came back and they can do that work now. So like that, we have a lot of dreams. Okay, we wanted to ask some questions like how you are sharing those dreams. Okay, we wanted to understand as community members. As a young person, I spoke to one young person. He said like he tired of studying and he dropped at class 8. Who is that young boy?
Yes, it's
There? Yeah, good. So I really like your honesty. And people here are very honest. So there is so what is the kind of a thing that we wanted to know? So maybe before actually I ask questions, I would like to ask questions on one, I wanted to know your understanding about various entitlements under community and rural development department. I wanted to understand, do you know that each one of you can each household can get 100 days of CHISPA program. Do you know that well? If you know, are you making an effort to get that 100 days? Okay, this is the question that I wanted to ask, the first question. Second question, I would like to ask, what is your village budget? Okay, that can be told by VEC secretary or anybody. Budget means your budget under MGNRJ, what is your budget? We just calculated. I just wanted to know if anybody knows your budget. And how you are using, it's a, in fact, how you are using this money. How, when you get from job card, how you are using the money. Are you saving this money in self-help group or not? Because most of you are women, I'm seeing you here. Of course, boys can actually use for their mobile phone, but but all the women, what you are using for this money that you are getting from the job card. Second question is that, do you know your SHG? What is the self-help group program? What is the role of village organization? And what is the role of village health council? What is that purpose behind it? We wanted to know about it. So we also wanted to know from each of your house, how many people are already, dropped out of the, like that boy. How many people are actually not going to the school, but wanted to learn some skill, wanted to go to Japan. How many of you? We also wanted to ask you about this question so that we will get an understanding of what is needed here. Okay, what is needed, what actually state government also has to work, and we are very happy to see you the way you function, very disciplined. I think this work that has been done, very very remarkable work that you did. I think this I think your village is one of the, I think I have seen the best villages, because I have seen your PMAY work, I've seen your water work, I've seen your tourism work. I think you and also you have self-help groups, you are there. I hope you all wanted to become, like, with active women support, you all wanted to become Shilakpati, like, Shilakpati is there, right? Shilakpati is Lakpati Didi. I'm calling Shilakpati Didi. So that's the kind. What is the your vision for that? We wanted to know, and these are the things. And I also wanted to know, do you know that, especially some, we need to, state government is giving a lot of focus on early childhood development. The reason is that Meghalaya has a lot of young population. Rest of the country, rest of the world is aging. Aging means they're getting old, but Meghalaya is young, so we have advantage. Don't feel bad; it's an advantage. So we can get more job opportunity in future across the world. So for that, we need to train ourselves. We need to train ourselves. We should study well. We should get better skills. We should able to speak in different languages, including Japanese, English. So we can actually get better jobs. Okay. So we need to take that into an advantage. For that, Meghalaya is promoting this early childhood development program, so that parents would give lot of time with the children. So the human brain, especially the human brain, grows during the first 5 years. After that, not much. So during the first 5 years, how much actually the time that you are giving is also very very important. We also wanted to know how, you are giving that time for the children. To give the time for the children, there should be a spacing between one child to another, at least 3 years, 1,000 days, so that for 1,000 days the child will get mother's milk, so the child nutrition will be good, so the child's her or his brain growth will happen much better. So all these things I think you should be knowing, but that is again we are promoting. I hope your Anganwadi worker is teaching these things, your Asha worker is teaching these things, or your active woman is also teaching. You have three people now: your active women, CGHA, and Asha, Anganwadi, and Village Health Council. So, and they all can work closely with, Shenkinthai, Village Health Council. But you need to start discussing about these issues. You should get trainings about breastfeeding. Breastfeeding trainings are being given now. Please get those trainings. Make sure that Village Health Council should ask for the trainings. We need these trainings so that you can really nurture your young people so well that they will do so well in future, and they can really get better jobs, they can actually really live a very good life in future. So that is the reason actually the foundational work that the state government started. I hope you all will participate in that. So these are few things that I wanted to